Read at home. Hungry Floppy. Series created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brichta. The family went camping. They put up a tent. It took a long time to put up the tent. Floppy was hungry. Floppy was so hungry, he ran off to look for food. A man was cooking. That smells good, thought Floppy, and I'm so hungry. Go away, called the man. You can't have our dinner. Floppy ran off. Floppy saw a dog's bowl. This smells good, he thought, and I'm so hungry. A big dog barked at Floppy. Go away, growled the dog. You can't have my dinner. Floppy was lost. He saw lots of tents, but they all looked the same to him. Floppy could smell something. He sniffed and sniffed. Something smelled good. Floppy went inside the tent. He saw 3 plates. There was a slice of cake on each one. By now, Floppy was very hungry. So he ate the big slice. He was still hungry, so he ate the smaller slice. But Floppy was still hungry, so he ate the very small slice too. I need a rest now, he thought. There were 3 beds. Floppy went on the blue bed, but it was too hard. Then Floppy went on the green bed, but it was too soft. In the end, he lay on the red bed. It was not too hard or too soft. It was just right. So he went to sleep. Someone has eaten my cake, said Anina. Someone has eaten all the cake, said Anina's mom, and look, who's sleeping on your bed? It's Floppy, said Anina. What are you doing here, you naughty dog? Anina and her dad looked for Biff and Chip. At last, they found them. What a surprise to see you, said Biff. Anina told them about Floppy. Never mind, said Dad. Stay and have some of our cake. Think about the story. Why did Floppy steal the food? Was he wrong to steal it? Why didn't Floppy go and look for Kipper himself? How is this story like Goldilocks and the 3 bears? What would you do if you got lost in a strange place? Matching pairs. Find pairs of things that start with some letters. Which one isn't in the story? Like, share and subscribe to Arso Academy, and not forget to hit the bell icon for more educational content.